What's up guys, I'm Mace from GITactical, and this is the Blade Tech Revolution injection molded holster. This one comes with the paddle belt attachment and also the normal belt attachment, both of which are fully adjustable. You have adjustable retention with these screws here to secure your pistol tight or as loosely as you want. I prefer the paddle, fits on easy like that, and then the retention, just yank the gun out. No buttons, nothing to mess with, just yank. Come by and check them out, they're really handy.